Welcome back to Mike Ssendikwanawa's Biology Hub. In this session, we dive into the structure of an animal cell, briefly describing the structure of each part and stating its function. And just as we discussed in session 7 about a plant cell, an animal cell too is an eukaryotic cell because it has a true nucleus and membrane-bound organelles, though it lacks a cell wall, chloroplasts, and a large permanent vacuole. Structure of an animal cell. 1. Cell membrane. This is a thin, flexible phospholipid bilayer with protein deposits. Function: it controls what enters and leaves the cell. It protects cell contents and allows communication with other cells. 2. Cytoplasm. This is a jelly-like fluid filling the cell. Function: it holds and supports all cell organelles. It is a site for many chemical reactions, for example, respiration and protein synthesis within the cell. 3. Nucleus. It is a large spherical organelle enclosed in a nuclear envelope containing a nucleolus and DNA arranged into chromosomes. Function: it controls all cell activities. It stores the genetic material and determines the characteristics of an animal. It also controls cell division and growth. 4. Mitochondria. These are oval-shaped organelles with folded inner membranes called cristae. Function: they produce energy in form of ATP through aerobic respiration for cell activities. 5. Ribosomes. These are tiny dot-like structures found free in the cytoplasm or attached to the endoplasmic reticulum. Role: they are sites for protein synthesis. 6. Endoplasmic reticulum. This is categorized into two. 1. Rough endoplasmic reticulum, which has ribosomes on its surface. Function: it synthesizes and transports proteins. 2. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum, which do not have ribosomes on their surface. Function: it synthesizes lipids and helps detoxify chemicals within the animal body. 7. Golgi apparatus, also called Golgi body. This is a stack of flattened membrane sacs. Function: it modifies, packages and transports proteins and other substances in secretion vesicles. 8. Lysosomes. These are membrane-bound sacs containing digestive enzymes. Function: they break down waste materials, worn-out organelles, and harmful substances within the cell. 9. Centrioles. These are a pair of cylindrical structures near the nucleus. Function: they organize spindle fibers required during cell division. 10. Vesicles. These are small membrane-bound sacs. Function: they transport substances within the cell or outside the cell. 11. Microtubules and cytoskeleton. These are protein fibers forming the internal framework of the cell. Function: they maintain cell shape, allow movement of organelles, and assist in cell division. With that noted, thank you for watching through up to this far, and if you haven't, please like, share and subscribe in order to be notified first whenever we make a new upload. See you in the next one.